In this video, let's talk about how to use Proton Mail mobile app. If you're new to Proton Mail, let me show you some of the features or some of the sections that you need to know. So make sure you download the Proton Mail first of all, create an account if you don't have an account already, and if you do, make sure you log in. Once you've been logged into your account, in order to create or compose a mail, you will see the compose option on the bottom. Now, as all of us know, Proton Mail is encrypted. Whenever you send an email to a Proton Mail user, meaning the people that also use Proton Mail, all of the mails will be automatically encrypted. But if you're sending an email to a non-Proton user, such as Gmail or Outlook, you can turn on encryption for them as well by tapping on this lock icon. Once you tap on this lock icon, you need to create a password so that the other person needs to add in this password whenever they need to open up the email that you just sent. So this is a great feature if you want to enable extra security to your emails. Now the other options are inside of this hamburger menu, which is the 3 lines on the top left. If you tap on it, you can see a bunch of options that you can go to, such as your inboxes and other folders that you may have. Now you can also sort out your email and manage your inbox by creating different folders. This way you can manage all of your emails by adding in different emails to different folders. As I have created here, these are the few folders that I've created. So you can just move all of your emails that are relevant inside of each of these folders. There are further settings as well. If you scroll down, you can tap on the settings option and it is going to show you the amount of storage that you have left over. If you are also using a free plan, you're going to have 500 MB of mail storage and 2 GB of drive storage. If that is not enough for you, you can scroll down and choose a plan that gives more data. Now, if you are a professional email user, you can also add in your signature by heading over to the signature section and then click on email signature. This lets you allow the exact signature that you want in this section, and when you click on save, the email signature will be saved, and whenever you compose a new email, the signature will be automatically added in. So that was a quick tutorial video on the way that you use the Proton Mail mobile app. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next video.